Hotel 1898. 4 stars. Stay in the heart of Barcelona. Located on Barcelona's famous La Rambla, this restored 19th century building features a rooftop pool with a sun terrace. The elegant rooms include free Wi-Fi and a marble bathroom. The colonial-style Hotel 1898 has unique architectural and historical heritage which gives it the specialty monument status. Very comfortable room with opening windows. Great rooftop bar and pool. It was a pity that it was too cold. Jan. To try it out, follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. Everything was good: bedroom, fitness, spa and a lounge. Everything. Very mellow environment right in the middle of the city. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.